Bakit home-based ticketing business ang napili kong simulan? So, number one, flexibility. Pwede kong i-manage ang business ko during my free time o whether I'm on a break or pagkatapos ng trabaho ko. So, number two, low ang capital. So, unlike sa traditional businesses, dito sa ticketing business, hindi naman nire-require na kailangan mo magpalabas ng malaking halaga para makapag-start ng home-based ticketing business mo. So, number three, constant ang demand. So, people nowadays is mahilig talaga mag-travel. So, whether for vacations man yan, for work, or for family reunions. And this demand makes the business profitable. So, by the way, ako nga pala si Marie Fidelfin. So, nagkakandak ako ng free one-on-one coaching on how to start your own home-based ticketing business. So, you can direct message me on my Facebook, Delphine Villamor Marifi. And see you inside. Have a good day, everyone.